All right, boys and girls, welcome to Goran Guitar and to a great song from Jelly Roll. It's called Dreams Don't Lie. All right, so we have this combination of finger picking, but you can also play the strumming. And I'm going to teach you how to play the strumming here in this tutorial. There's a lot of work involved in this when it comes to the picking pattern and to bring everything up on a schedule tab where you can play it. So if you want the tabs for this song, then you have to first and foremost comment, and then you have to drop a super thank for me, and in that way I can send you the tabs if you're interested in the tabs for the verse play and the chorus play. So comment and a super thank and you will get the tabs. Now let's go into the tutorial here with the chords, and as you can see we have no need for any capo here. We are clean on the fretboard and we have a couple chords to go over. So let's start with the A minor. All right, so A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is D minor, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. G next, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And then we have the E chord. And that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. That's the chords for the verse, and then we need to have a couple more for the chorus. We're going to start with the G minor. So that's a bar chord. You play the index finger on the 3rd fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add 5th on A and 5th on D. And then you have the F chord as well. And that's another bar chord. You play now the index finger on this 1st fret, same, all strings, push down, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And there we have all the chords needed for this song. Now let's go into the strumming pattern, and it's a 2-part strumming. It's a long one. We're gonna have a split because some chords just gonna play the first half of it. So if you grab the first chord, the A minor, you have the first half down, up, down, up, up, down, up. So like this. Okay, so down, up, short pause, and then up, down, up. Okay, that's the first half. And the second half continues with up, down, up, up, down, up. So, like this. So, together it will be down, up, and then 3 times of up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. All right, so 1 full round goes like this. Okay, and a couple of rounds. Okay, so we're ready for this song, and the verse play goes A minor, 1 full round, means both part 1 and part 2, then D minor, 1 full round, then G, 1 full round, then C, part 1, and E, part 1. Okay, so part 1 was down, up, down, up, and then E, down, up, down, up. And that is 1 round. You're gonna play for 2 rounds, so it goes like this. The second round, instead of playing C part 1 and E part 1 in the end, you're gonna play just C for 1 full round. So it goes like this: A minor, D minor, G, and C. And that's the verse play. All right, now into the chorus play, and yeah, we're gonna continue, of course, the same strumming here, and you're gonna play C, 1 full round, then E, 1 full round, A minor, 1 full round, then G minor, 1 full round, D minor, 1 full round, G, 1 full round. And I stopped here because this is where the 1 full round stops. And from now on, you're gonna play part 1s pretty much only till the very end. And that will be for C, E, F, G, C again, E, F, and G. The last G down will be just that and a pause. Okay? So to summarize the chorus part, it was to play 1 full round of the following chords: C, E, A minor, then G minor, then D minor, and G. And then comes 2 rounds of the C, E, F, G with part 1s, and the last round of it, C, E, F, the last G, you just play 1 down on that G and have a pause. And there you have the chorus play. And that is pretty much it, guys. We have 1 verse play / intro. That's how it starts. And then 1 chorus. Remember, if you want the picking pattern for this, the tabs, then yeah, hit me a like. Doesn't cost you anything, but yeah, leave me a comment and a super thank for all the work that's done on this specific song, and I will send it to you, the verse play and the chorus with some tabs. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and until next time, play tuned.